The purpose of the quiz is to prepare the budding engineers for interview. Motor is required to be suitable for 70% voltage dip. What should be the maximum torque? 70% voltage dip means that dip is 0.7 UN, where UN is nominal voltage. Torque T is proportional to V square. Maximum torque should be 1 by 0.7 square or 204%. What is the use of start delta starter during starting of the induction motor? Starting current of induction motor is high. It may go up to 600% of rated current. This may create a large voltage dip in supply line and may affect other appliances connected to supply. Starting current of induction motor reduces with reduction in the applied voltage. Before starting of induction motor, switch S1 is closed. U2, V2 and W2 are shorted together. The stator winding becomes star connected. When a supply is given to motor, it starts rotating. When the rotor speed reaches 80% of rated speed, switch S1 is opened and switch S2 is closed. After switch S2 is closed, U2 is connected to V1, V2 is connected to W1 and W2 is connected to U1. Winding has become delta connected. In a star connected winding, let line voltage is VL. Phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3. Phase current is equal to VL by root 3 Z, where Z is phase impedance. Line current IL is equal to phase current I phase is equal to VL by root 3 Z. In a delta connected winding, V phase equals to VL. I phase equals to V phase by Z equals to VL by Z. IL equals to root 3 VL by Z. Ratio of starting current with star connected winding and delta connected winding is equal to 1 by 3. Thus, starting current reduces by 1 by 3 when motor is started with star connected winding. However, voltage at starting also reduces, resulting in reduced starting torque. Star delta starter is suitable when starting torque required is low. This arrangement is very simple as only connections are required to be changed for changing winding from star to delta. How starting time of induction motor is derived? As per Newton's law of motion, F is equal to ma, where F is accelerating force, m is mass of object, and a is linear acceleration. Accelerating force is equal to applied force minus opposing force. Similarly, accelerating torque is equal to J alpha, where J is moment of inertia and alpha is angular acceleration. Accelerating torque is equal to applied torque by motor minus opposing torque of load. Accelerating torque is equal to motor torque minus load torque. Accelerating torque is equal to J alpha is equal to J d omega by dt is equal to J delta omega by delta t. Hence, delta t is equal to J delta omega by t acceleration. Delta omega is increase in angular velocity from zero speed to rated speed. Or delta t is equal to J 2 pi nr by 60 t acceleration, where nr is the rated speed in rpm, t acceleration is in Newton meter, J is in kg meter square. Thus, delta T is equal to J N R divided by 9.55 T acceleration. J is moment of inertia of motor plus load. T acceleration is the average accelerating torque. It is difficult to estimate the average accelerating torque. For convenience sake, torque is divided in 10 equal parts. Starting time in each part is equal to J 0.1 nr divided by 9.55 T acceleration. Starting time of motor is found by adding starting time of each part. Starting time is also called accelerating time. What is the function of speed switch in induction motor? It is desirable that start time of motor is more than starting time. Relay is set to operate before start time and after starting time. In the case of fan motor, diameter of fan is very high and hence moment of inertia of fan is very high. Thus, starting time in case of fan motor may exceed start time. Speed switch is used when starting time of motor is more than start time but less than permissible starting time. Relay is set before start time. In case motor stalls, relay trips. However, in case speed switch senses that motor has started, it bypasses the relay and motor performs normal start. What is the purpose of bedding of brushes? The new brushes do not make proper contact with slip rings, thus increasing current density and heat generated in brush. There is also a possibility of sparking. Bedding of brushes means giving to the contact face of a new brush the exact curvature of slip ring. Abrasive cloth is inserted between brushes and slip rings. Abrasive cloth is pulled from one side to another till the brush takes the shape of slip ring.